In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Telegram to Apple Watch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Telegram directly on your Apple Watch. First, I'm going to teach you how to access notifications for Telegram, and then how to use all of the features of the app. So you will be able to browse through all of your contacts, reply, see the messages, and so on. So first, if all you want to do is enable notifications, go over to the Watch application on your iPhone. And once you are inside of the Apple Watch app, go to Notifications. It is usually going to be at the top of the screen here. By choosing Notifications, you will be able to enable notifications for the Telegram application. And as long as you have the Telegram app with permissions to send notifications, you will be good to go. So whenever you receive a message on Telegram, for example, you will have the standard notification on your iPhone, but if this option is enabled, it will also go over to your Apple Watch automatically. Now, even though you will be able to browse through all of these notifications, you might want to access other features, like seeing all of your contacts, groups, replying to messages, and so on. In that case, then what you have to do is download an unofficial client like this one. So by downloading Bassgram or other similar applications, this is just the one that I would recommend, you will be able to use Telegram on your Apple Watch. So you can clearly see here. You can see all of the messages, reply, and all of your contacts will appear. So it is essentially an unofficial application, but you will still be able to see all of your contacts. However, because it is not developed by the official Telegram makers, I don't want to showcase it in full in this video. Do this at your own discretion. Of course, overall it is very safe because all you are doing is giving your API. As you can see here, by using Telegram's API, Bassgram will allow you to use the messaging experience. So as long as you connect both accounts using a QR code, you will be able to use Telegram unofficially on your Apple Watch to reply to messages. If all you need are notifications, then just enable them from here instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Telegram to Apple Watch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.